Good morning guys, Mr. Mark here, and today we are at Erawan Waterfalls. So we're just going to get a little picnic. Look at these little shops. I'll show you the picnic when we get it. How exciting. Me and Gary are going to go for a little swim. I mean, I've been for a swim in these waterfalls before, and they have these little fish that basically bite you. You know the ones you see in fish spas where they eat all the stuff off your feet? Yeah, so normally they have these naturally living in there, so it's not very pleasant sometimes, but you know, I'm not moaning. It's a free foot spa really. So to get in, it was 300 baht each, so it's not too bad. And then the food's cheap here as well, so really you can have a whole day out for 2 people, probably for about £20. So yeah, all is good. Right, so we're just going to get a golf cart up to the waterfall. So yeah, this should be fun. So before we get on this lovely little golf cart.
Well, if you're going to go to the waterfall in Asia, you might as well do it in style.
Oh yeah.
How else are you going to do it?
It was very expensive. Yeah. It was 80p each.
Yeah. It's like a waterfall limousine really. Like, you know what I mean?
Oh.
Well, that's alright, I got it.
Got me picnic gear.
Yeah. Just nearly lost it. You mean hold that?
That's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Tell you what's even more exciting is going backwards on the golf cart. You know what would have been better is if we could have drove it ourselves. Like, if we could hire one out for the day, that'd be
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
That would be amazing.
We'd pay anything for that.
And being here all day. Yep, got lost. To be fair, it's pretty beautiful in here.
Yeah.
See out there.
It's a national park.
Yeah.
Here we go. We're going uphill now.
So we've got a little handle.
So it's all right though, because we've got our flip flops on. So if we do fall off, our toes will just come off. It's fine.
Oh, you mean? Yeah, perfect.
Right. We'll see you at the waterfall.
Swaggy.
Right guys, we've just got to the first waterfall. Let me just show you what it's like. I think we're going to walk up a bit further, but let me just show you this first impression. I mean, it's pretty stunning, right? I'm not complaining. Be falling over here. Loads of trees around me. Check out this waterfall. There's loads of fish swimming around. Oh, look at these fish here first, and then look at this waterfall. You ready for this? You ready? Huh? You ready? Right, let's check out these fish. Check out these fish first. And now, check out the waterfall. Makes me laugh as well because before we came here, people were saying to us, oh, it's not very beautiful this time of year. Have to come wet season. I mean, if that's like the worst version of it, I think it's amazing. Absolutely beautiful. And there's loads and loads of butterflies here as well. Like, let me show you these butterflies. I feel like I'm in Neverland or something. Doesn't even seem real. It's just probably the most beautiful place I've ever seen. A 10 out of 10 for Mr. Man. Right, it's time for the finale.
Oh, no, I ain't got a whistle.
You ain't got a whistle?
No.
You better go back, mate.
Just keep an eye on me. And if I'm in drowning in any danger, come close and I'll give it a blow.
Let's go.
Come on.
Freezing. Oh. Mate, it's freezing.
Fresh water, mate.
Oh, mate, they're biting you. Oh, mate, the fish bite you. Whoa. Ah, get off. I love it. Mate, the little fish bite you. Told ya, the fish bite you here.
I'm so glad you went first.
You wait, mate. It's not very. Ah! Are they biting you yet, girl? Right guys, so I've just got out. It's absolutely amazing in there, it's so refreshing. You get a free foot spa, the little fish, but they bloody hurt sometimes. And here comes Mr. Gary, look.
It's one of the most mental things to fish out.
Yeah. These fish. I mean, it's probably been one of my favourite days out ever, to be honest. You're getting bitten? Gary's finally getting bitten. He doesn't really like it either, to be honest. Yeah. And all the Thai people are like, oh, it's lovely, a free foot massage. And like, I was literally screaming over there. I should change my name to Mrs. Mark. Right, so we're just gonna go for a walk. Where you saw earlier, that was level 2, but there is 7 levels, as I said before. Look at this. Level 3, level 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that up to the top, 1,290 metres. Right, we had an option to either go to number 3 or to number 4. So we've skipped number 3, we're gonna go straight to 4, and then we'll continue to 5, 6, 7, hopefully. Right, so we just got to level 4. Let's have a look. Right, it's actually getting a little bit steep now, to be fair. Level 5. Yeah, I'd say level 5's decent. Nice deep waters. Nice little rock pools here, look. Some girls having fun. So once you get past about zone 5, just isn't any paths, look.
Jungle is massive up here, bro.
Sing it.
Booyaka, booyaka, when the general are up. Booyaka, booyaka.
That's better. Sick. Bit of Mother Nature. Kapkun Kap, Mother Nature.
Kapkunka. It's not bad, it's not a bad shout, man. Kapkun Kap, Mother Nature.
Done it, guys. Number 7.
Lucky number 7.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, actually.
It is cool. Very, very beautiful. It's like a miniature version of number 2. But the view at the top of the waterfall is amazing. Look at the top of it. So that was the tour of Erawan Falls. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon. Say sweaty cup, girl.
Sweaty cups.
Sweaty cup.